people hear AI charge capture, it can sound like one of those healthcare technology terms that everyone is suddenly using. But what is the AI actually doing? Is it writing the note? Is it replacing the coder? Is it sending the claim?
The simplest answer is AI charge capture takes the clinical documentation that already exists and helps turn it into a coded, bill ready charge. With MediMobile Genesis, the provider documents the visit like they normally would in the EMR. Genesis analyzes the documentation and generates the information needed to move the encounter bill forward.
So let's break that down. What can Genesis actually generate?
First, CPT codes. Those describe the service that was performed. Second, ICD-10 diagnosis codes. Those describes why the patient was treated. So, instead of someone having to go back through the chart, interpret the documentation, manually select codes, and bill the charge, AI can help you do a large part of the work automatically.
And that's an important distinction. The provider isn't being asked to completely change the way they practice. You document the patient encounter. Genesis works from that documentation.
Exactly. And Genesis isn't limited to just one type of information coming in. It could work with data coming through your existing integrations. It can also analyze things like PDFs, discharge notes, consultant reports, face sheets, and even images captured from your phone. The goal is to take the clinical information you already have and help turn it into a complete encounter that's ready for review and billing.
So when we say AI charge capture, we're really talking about eliminating a lot of the steps between I finished seeing this patient and this encounter is accurately coded and ready to bill.
Right. And depending on the organization's workflow, a provider or coder can still review what Genesis generates, accept it, or make a change. Those decisions also help strengthen the process over time.
And that's where this starts to become really valuable for healthcare organizations. It's not just AI for the sake of saying you're using AI. It's fewer manual touches, more consistent coding, less time spent chasing charges, and a better chance that completed encounters actually make it to billing.
Exactly. Think of Genesis as a bridge between documentation and the charge. The provider documents the care, Genesis analyzes it. It helps generate the CPT codes, ICD-10 codes, and bill-ready charge. Then the encounter goes right over to your billing team.
So if you've ever heard the term AI charge capture and wondered, okay, but what does it actually do? This is how simple MediMobile makes it. Your clinicians document the care, and then Genesis helps turn that documentation into a coded, bill-ready encounter. So to see what that actually looks like inside a real workflow, visit MediMobile.com, check out our Genesis page, and book your personalized demo of the technology that could change your day.